Hi, this is Dr. Liz. I'm here to share with you today some ideas to help you with your elbow, wrist, and hand pain or issues that you may be having due to overuse, any kind of work you may be doing, whether it be just being on the computer or maybe you're building cabinets and you have, just constant wrist and elbow pain. And I have my beautiful daughter Izzy here today to demonstrate some ideas. So let's start out with the one where we're gonna stretch the wrist out. So bring your hand up, and we're just applying gentle pressure to the back of your hand. How's that feel? And notice her arm is relaxed, the elbow is into her side. So it's really not about tensing anything here. It's all about stretching the wrist and the forearm. So then notice that, because a lot of times people tend to work their shoulders. So what are you going to do? Both hands. That's awesome. And then flip the hand over and palm to palm, and we're going to press that wrist back and feel it in the front of the forearm. How's that feel? Good. And then let's go into that position with your fingers that way. Press down. So you should be feeling this in your wrists and fingers and hand. That's a great one. And one of my favorites is jazz hands. So bring the fingers out, really stretch those fingers apart, and just hold it there for a few moments. And that you should be feeling in your hands as well. Another thing you could be doing is also just applying pressure to your hands. Just do your own self-massage. It's not a bad thing to do from time to time. Get in between each bone in the hand. And then we're going to do the wrist stretch. So apply pressure, first turning the wrist inward, interlace your fingers, and then twist the forearm. This one's a little tricky, so go slow with this. And be careful not to cause any pain. Drop your shoulders down as you do this, relax your upper body, and then once you have that good twist happening, then just tilt your wrist up. So you get a little more of a wrist stretch. Tilt up a little bit more, Izzy, with that right wrist. There you go. And switch hands. Go ahead and twist the hand around. Interlace. There you go. Perfect. How's that feel? Where are you feeling that?
Along this whole piece of my arm.
Awesome. That's perfect. That's exactly where we want to have it. And also keep in mind, when you're at your desk, is your wrist in this position? If so, don't do that. Make sure your wrist is flat and level with the desk. So you might need a wrist rest, some kind of memory foam or some type of cushion to keep your wrist at a nice level. Make sure your hands are also at a 90 degree. Your shoulders and elbows are all comfortable. So bring that keyboard in closer. Let's show also using the tennis ball. So any ball you have at home, whether it be a small rubber ball or a tennis ball or cross ball, whichever ball you like, we're just going to take that ball in the palm and then apply pressure to that muscle right below the elbow. And this is where a lot of times people will end up getting tendinitis, like a tennis elbow kind of thing. And so you want to put the ball in the palm and apply just some pressure. Hold the ball, just cup the ball, and then apply pressure. There you go, keeping this arm relaxed as well. And you can go around it, just gently massage around that. Great. And also you can just use your thumb. So go ahead and just wrap your thumb. Notice my hand is underneath, the arm is relaxed, and just press into that muscle. So again, just pay attention. How are you sitting at your desk? Are you comfortable? Are you noticing your shoulders are getting tight and rolling forward? Is your head looking down? Make sure to bring those shoulder blades back, keeping your head up nice and straight, just like Izzy is. All right, well, keep stretching, keep moving, and keep getting adjusted.